Xiangling again! Today we'll be making Raiden's favorite dish, Dango milk. Get ready for some kneading, rolling... Guoba, don't listen to him. We'll start off with the Dango. You'll need a 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour and some water or milk. Add the water in small amounts as you mix until the rice flour clumps together. Then gather the rice flour together and knead it into a soft dough. It should have the same consistency as when you pinch your palm. You're lucky you survived that. Roll it into small balls for your Dango. We're going to do the same process again, but instead, we're replacing water with some purple rice and black sesame soup. I added some dark purple food coloring for an extra pop. Of course it is! It's a popular drink amongst people in Leeway. In fact, you can often find them in most local Leeway grocers next to the matcha and taro latte sachets. If you don't trust it, you can always opt for the taro or ube flavoured options instead. You'll want to boil your balls. Not those balls. Until they float to the top, which means they are fully cooked. Make sure to immediately douse them in ice-cold water, as that gives them that extra chewiness. Here we're using the same purple rice and black sesame drink for the first Dango milk variation. I'm just topping it up with the food colour mixture. And then add in your Dango balls. Make sure to press them against the side of the glass. For the light version, we're using our sesame Dango balls with some full cream milk. There you go, Dango milk all done. I should go share these with Raiden.